Here it is.
I know, right?
Got something for you. 46 years to make it.
You gonna open it for me?
Nope, it's all you.
I spent 2 years on this. I'm almost afraid to open it.
That's what it sounds like.
Whoa. Well, now comes the nervous part to see if we have any errors in it. Looks neat. Nice cover.
Looks good.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So cute.
Took a long time to do this. We started out, we were going to do 262 pages, and this is 416. And I think of all the things I left out.
Part two.
Thanks for putting up with us for 2 years doing this. And now I will be available to harass all of you people again on other projects.
Next book subject, please.
But thank you. Jeff did a lot on this. Jane Lasty did a lot on this. Mike Lester did a great editing job on this and kept trimming things down. And Laura, John Dobbitstein, and everybody had a part of this, so it's just not me. Thank you.
Congratulations.
So there's no mistakes? It looks good so far?
So far.
So,
So you pointed out that I edited it.
Yeah,
So if there is
I did find one the other day. I pulled up something for an interview with Lyle Orwig and on a sidebar, and we'd left I shouldn't say we, I should say I left a word out of the sentence. But if that's all we got, we'll be okay. But that brings up another point. If you go through this and you see a mistake, let me know so we can fix it on the next printing. And hopefully there will be one.
There will be.
If marketing does their job. So thank you.
Always marketing.
Frank, what's the one piece in there that you're excited for the reader to see most?
Oh boy.
Back cover.
No. But we had a lot of comments on that picture. Oh, Michael put it up for my birthday, and a lot of people said, cool picture, which Jeff L. took. I don't know. That's an interesting question. I'm too close to it.
what about that picture?
This would be the easiest chapter to read, the cartoon, which we did in the early days.
The picture of you with the crystal ball.
Oh, did you
What
like
was the
that?
story behind that one?
Well, we did a story on that. It started out in Rural Builder years ago. And that picture was taken probably in the mid '80s, and we've used it 3 or 4 times since on other things. Christopher's used it 3 or 4 times on other things.
I didn't think I'd ever see it again.
I don't know, Dallas. I can't answer your question.
Maybe you can wear that for Halloween this year.
There you go. Right. There's the problem I had writing this book is I couldn't get my arms around it all 46 years, and I'd pull out something. I remember being on this farm in 1973 and doing this and that. It's amazing. It's been neat. There are people in the ag field who have written as long as I have. I mean, that means they're as old as I am. But most people have moved up in life and had other jobs. Me, I've had the same job as editor of No-Till Farmer for 46 years. I've never moved up. So thank you. I won't have to read it. Remember, Mike Lester edited it.
I'll make sure to put that on all of the social posts so they know who to go to.
Yeah, he didn't make the changes. So thank
Did you
you.
double check them after they came back?
I think we got 12 copies here. Box, the packing slip, we asked for 5, the packing slip said 10, and the box said 12.
So we got you worried for quality control right there.
No, I'll be all right. I told Pam today I was kind of nervous about opening this, and she basically said, shut up and go do it. And the only word I had was I have to take one home to her tonight.
How many were in there? 12?
It's like 9.
I think 10.
Oh,
The box was right. I know the packing slip was right. That's it.
That's the shot right there.
So a couple of you can take a copy if anybody's interested. We're getting more this week, by the end of the week, I would think.
Yeah,
We're supposed to ship today.
Guess I should make
Ship
room
it
for
today.
this.
All right. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good day, we're proud of you.
Thank you.